Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 118. If we start with this box, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got a 2 here and an 8 here, so this is our 9. That 2 makes this our 8, 2. For this top row, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 here and a 2 here, so this is our 3. The 1 makes this our 2, 1. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 6, and I don't see any help, so 4, 6, 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 3 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 6. 2 here, so 9, 2. For this column, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this bottom row, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got the 4 there, so 6, 4. That 4 makes this our 6, 4. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. And for this column now, we're missing 7 and 8. And I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 3. That 3 makes this our 7, 5, and that 7 makes this our 3. For this row now, we're missing a 7. For this column, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. That 7 makes this our 8, 7. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 8. And I don't see any help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. And for this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. That 6 makes this our 8, 6. And that 8 makes this our 5 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.